Hello everyone, did you know that the TTfone TT990 also has a compatible lanyard slot to help secure the device? This is a very useful accessory feature. In this video we will show you how to attach a lanyard into the phone. You will see a small hole on the side of the phone. First, you need to remove the back cover. We need to insert the thin cord of the lanyard into this hole. It can be quite small and slightly difficult, but I managed to do it using only my hands. If you find it difficult, you may use a small tool to help guide the lanyard through the slot. However, please be careful not to damage the lanyard opening. Please follow the video for guidance. This is the correct position for the lanyard in the device slot. Once completed, reattach the back cover. Your TTfone TT990 is now ready to use with the lanyard attached. We hope you enjoy using the device. See you next time.